Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Pandit and you're watching MEP Technical World. In this video, we'll learn about types of building. Basically, what are the types of the building? So before we start the session, I'd like to request you, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So basically, what is building? So a building is a structure used for shelter, protection or privacy. Okay. So here why we are going to study the types of the building. If we are going to design like electrical designing and plumbing and firefighting and then HVAC, before designing we have to know which kind of the building we are going to design for it. That's why we have to know the what is the actually what are the types of the building. On that basis only we design the MEP services. Okay, so this is the building. As you can see, this is the column and this is the beam, and here this is the slab. So these are the structural part of the building, and here this is the complete building. Okay, with complete MEP services, interior, civil, architect, everything. Okay, now come to the types of the building. So here we have a 9 types of the building. So group A is residential building, then group B is educational building, and group C is institutional building, and then group D is assembly building, group E is business building, then group F is mercantile building, then group G is industrial building, and group H is storage building, then group 9, which is group J, is hazardous building. So these are the types of the building. Whenever we are going to design the MEP services or other services, we must know what kind of the building which we are going to design for it. Okay, so this will help us for selecting the parameter for particular types of the building. Okay, now let's discuss each type of building one by one. Okay, so first, what is the residential building? So a residential building is a type of the building that is used for the people to live in, usually as their primary place for residence. Example, what is the residential building? In simple word, we can say where we can stay and can cook the food and eat. That is called residential building. Example of the residential building are single family houses, apartment, villa, resorts, cottage, lodge, hotels, dormitories. So these are the example of this residential building where we can stay, where we can eat, cook. So this type of the building is called residential building. Okay, if we talk about its internal parts, so where this building typically have amenities such as kitchens, bathroom, bedrooms, living spaces to accommodate the needs of the residents. Like residential building may also have a common area such as the hallways, elevators and outer space. So these are the inner parts of the residential building. Okay, now the design, construction and safety requirement of the residential building are governed by local building codes. So everywhere we have a, every country have a NBC, like National Building Code. As per this we have selected the building types. So these are the but common. Okay, so here the pictures, this is the house and this is the apartment. Okay, family can live, and this is the hotel. Okay, hotel building, and this is the dormitory, we can hostel, and this is the resorts, and this is the villas. So these are all the residential building. Okay, now come to next, which is educational building. Now come to next, which is educational building. So basically what is educational building? As the name already suggested, the place where you can say study related building is called educational building. Simply study related, education related building is called educational building, providing for what? Education and learning opportunity. So example are a school, college, training center, coaching center, university. These all are educational building. So this is the example. So this is the school building and this is the university. So these are the educational building. Okay, these are the educational building. Now come to next, which is institutional building. So health and medical related building is called institutional building. So wherever we have like a health and medical related building, that we call institutional building. Example: hospital, diagnostic center, lab, mental hospital, physical and handicapped hospitals. Okay, wherever health related buildings, it is called institutional buildings, which is hospital building. These are the hospitals and labs, diagnostic lab. Okay, so these building are institutional building. Now come to assembly buildings. This is the next type of building. So what is assembly building? So many people gathering at one location with different types of the groups, either for enjoyment or entertainment. That building is called assembly building. So where we have a like a gathering place where we can too many people, where we gathers either for enjoyment or entertainments, that we call assembly building. So what are the example of the assembly building? Like theater, auditorium, cricket stadium, restaurant, food court, shopping malls, cinema halls, concert hall, convention center, churches, stadium, airport, bus stand, railway. These all are the place where people gathers for either for enjoyment or entertainment or for any other work. Okay, so these building are, so this is the assembly building and this is the auditorium and this is the also auditorium, cinema hall, auditorium. So these are all the assembly building. Now next, which is assembly building. Still this is the example of still assembly. This is the shopping mall. Okay, this building is shopping mall. Next is food court. So these all are assembly building. Next, business building. Okay, so what is basically business building? Any building used for transaction of the business, professional establishment, service facility, etc. are termed as business building. Office related, simply we can say office related building is called business building. So office building, post office, bank, IT office, so these all are business building where we have a documentation or like office related building. So these are Google's, okay, Google, bank, okay, and mercantile building. So what is mercantile building? Any building which is used as a shop, a store, market, etc. and retail business center is called mercantile business, where we have a retail business which happens, that we call mercantile building, that are shop, supermarket, stores. So this is the superstore, supermarket we can say, and this is the superstore. So these buildings are called mercantile building. Now industrial building, any building in which products or material are fabricated, assembled, manufactured or processed. For instance, assembly plants, industrial laboratories, power plants, pumping station. These all are called industrial buildings, where where we have a manufactured or plant processed and any plant rooms, that we call industrial buildings. Example, so this is the plant room, even cement plant rooms, gas plant room, hydropower plants, these all are in industrial building. Okay, now group as storage building, name as suggest, where we can store the things, that we call storage building. Any building which is used for storage of goods, weight of merchandise, vehicle or animals. Example, warehouse, cold store, garage, stables. These all are called storage building. So here example, warehouse, cold storage, garage, stables. So this is the warehouse. Okay, now group J, hazardous type of building. So as name suggests, it is dangerous where activities is happening, like a building which is used for storage, handling, manufacture or processing of highly combustible or explosive material. For instance, manufacture of explosives and fireworks. shortage of the highly flammable liquids. Storage LPG, rockets, propane, etc. are called hazardous building, where we can like a flammable liquids, petrol, diesel, and gases. So these all related buildings are called hazardous building. Okay. So this is example. So this is the gas power plants. Okay, refinery power plants. So these buildings are called hazardous building. When gas storage, these are also called hazardous buildings. So these are the types of the buildings. Accordingly, we have to design the MEP services or other services. Okay, that's why we have to know whether which kind of the building which we are going to design for it. Okay, so hope you guys understand about basically what are the types of the building. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.